Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Taskbar settings so you can choose what appears. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar and select Taskbar settings. Once done, make sure you have administrative rights if you want changes to apply for all accounts. You're accessing the control surface that toggles visibility and overflow behavior. This first step gives you the exact place to show icons, adjust badges, and control which system icons display, so you don't have to hunt through multiple menus later. Once in settings, click Turn System Icons on or off to manage clock, volume, network, and other system items. Then select which icons appear on the taskbar to control app icons. You toggle each switch to show or hide specific icons, so frequently used apps remain visible. Make sure to drag icons into the visible area if you use the overflow chevron. Doing this ensures instant access and prevents icons from being hidden behind the overflow menu when you need them quickly. Finish by verifying the icons appear where you expect them. If one still won't show, restart Explorer. EXE via Task Manager to refresh the taskbar. You can also adjust notifications and actions to control badge behavior and quick actions so badges and alerts appear correctly. If problems persist, make sure the app is running, check for updates, and confirm the icon isn't blocked by a policy. These steps resolve most visibility issues and ensure your taskbar reflects the tools you use every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.